Good morning, everyone. Imagine waking up tomorrow in a world without airplanes, smartphones, GPS, or even modern medicine. At first, life might feel simpler. But very quickly, we would realize something is terribly wrong. Bridges would collapse, communication would fail, and hospitals would lose essential tools. What would be missing? The answer is something most people think of as just numbers and symbol and a chalkboard. Calculus. Today, I want to share with you how calculus is not just a subject in textbooks. It is the hidden engine that drives progress. Without calculus, life as we know it would stop changing. First, think about the structures and tools we rely on every day. Skyscrapers, bridges, highways stand strong because engineers use calculus to calculate forces, stresses, and stability. Airplanes wouldn't fly without calculus. Pilots rely on navigation, systems that depend on the mathematics of motion, velocity, and acceleration, all derived from calculus. Even your smartphone screen responds to your touch because engineers use calculus to optimize sensitivity and accuracy. Without calculus, these technologies simply wouldn't exist, or if they did, they would be dangerously unreliable. Second, calculus saves lives. Every CT scan and MRI machine works by transforming raw signals into images using calculus-based algorithms. The doctor can literally see inside the human body thanks to math. Pharmacologists calculate safe and effective drug dosages using rates of change. Without calculus, medicine could easily underdose or overdose patients. Epidemiologists predict how spread in population using differential equation. During pandemics, these models are crucial for planning and saving life. In short, calculus isn't just abstract, it is embedded in the science of human survival. Third, calculus keeps our societies functioning. Business use calculus to forecast profits, minimize costs, and make decisions that affect the global economy. Governments apply to it population growth models, resource management, and climate change predictions. Even your GPS, when calculating the fastest route, uses calculations behind the scenes to optimize paths in real time. Without calculus, economies would stumble, cities would struggle to grow, and even simple tasks like navigating traffic would become far less efficient. Finally, calculus is the key to moving forward. Space exploration is impossible without it. Calculus determines rockets, trajectories, orbital paths, and fuel consumption. Satellites with power everything from weather forecasting to international communication rely on calculus for positioning and stability. As we look toward artificial intelligence, renewable energy, and robotics, calculus will continue to guide innovation. Without it, humanity would stop advancing. With it, the possibilities remain endless. So, what have we seen? Calculus is not just about solving equations in a classroom. It is the invisible foundation of technology, medicine, society, and even our future in space. The truth is simple. Without calculus, life would stop changing. Our world will freeze in place, unable to progress beyond the most basic tools of survival. So the next time you unlock your phone, cross a bridge, benefit from modern medicine, remember this is an invisible engine at work, quietly shaping your life. That engine is calculus. Thank you.